Hello, in this video we will talk about Python dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of some key value pairs, will be enclosed within curly brackets and will be indexed by keys. These keys will be unique and immutable, whereas values can be same for two keys and mutable. So let us just create one simple dictionary. Say my car is equal to within curly bracket some key colon value. So written like brand colon Maruti, comma model colon Ertiga ZXi, comma price colon 12 lakhs and curly bracket close. This is how we create a dictionary, and all these lines may be written in one single line also. Finally, we have just displayed this my car. Let us just see its type also. So this is how the result is within curly bracket, the key colon value, comma and all, and type of my car is dictionary, dic. Let us find the length of this dictionary. To find the length, we have a built-in function as we have seen with strings, list, tuples. So with the same dictionary, instead of printing the type, let us just print its length. So you must see the result. The length will be 3 as there are 3 key value pairs. The result is 3. Now to access the items of a dictionary, the syntax is dictionary name square bracket key. So with this dictionary, my car, suppose we wish to see just the model of this car. So print my car within square bracket the model. So we'll have the result as Ertiga ZXi. Have a look. Now, in case this key is not present, suppose instead of model we have written mode by mistake maybe or intentionally. So the result is key error mode. There is no such key found. Similarly, maybe in case we write value Ertiga ZXi, is it there? Yes, as such it is there in the value, but we cannot search directly using the value. It will be searched using a key only. So this is also key error. There is no key named Ertiga ZXi. Now let us update the value of a particular key. So with the same dictionary, suppose we want that my car price should now become 12,50,000, and let us just print our dictionary my car. We'll see that this change is reflected. Earlier the price was 12 lakhs, now it is 12,50,000. While updating, in case the key is not present, then the new key value will be added. Hence the topic will be adding an element. So if we want to add a new element, say we want to add a key named year, and the value we want to have say 2012, the Ertiga ZXi was launched. So my car dictionary will see now it has one more key value element, that is year as 12, and in case we wish to see the length of this my car, now it has increased by 1. Earlier there were 3, now there are 4 key value pairs. So the result is 4. Next we'll see how we can traverse a dictionary. Traversing a list, strings, tuples was so easy with for loop. Similarly here also for loop will help us. For, then the variable name, any variable name we can have, but we'll prefer to have a variable named as key, because here the loop variable will hold one by one each key. So for a key in the dictionary name, that is my car, we'll just see this key one by one. Let us print this. So we can see the result. The first line output full dictionary we have printed. The next for key in my car. So one of the key, that is a brand, that will come. So printed the brand. Then we have model. Then we have price. Each of these keys. Now with these keys, we wish to see each of the values also. So key with my car square bracket key, we will find the values also. So we can see brand is Maruti, model Ertiga ZXi, and the price is 12 lakhs. Let us see another example of dictionary. Say parts of a computer, say keyboard is priced at 500, mouse 200, printer 3000, just for example. So we want to display the key and the value separately. So for key in the dictionary name, that is parts, then print this key and parts dictionary name square bracket the variable name, loop variable name, which is key. So we'll run this, we'll see the result. The first keyboard, the price 500, then we have mouse 200, then we have finally printer 3000. Next, let us see the checking existence of a key, that is a membership operator. Suppose we wish to see whether in this dictionary mouse is there as a key or not. So mouse in dictionary, which is parts, is it there? Yes, it is there, so it will result true. Similarly, we wish to see whether this mouse with M is capital, is it there? False. Any other you may check, say printer is there? Yes, it is there, answer is true. Next, we'll see how to create an empty dictionary. It is done with the curly bracket open and close. We just display this dictionary. Let us just display the type also. Let us run this. The first line output curly bracket open and close, the dictionary we have printed. The second line to confirm what is the type, its type is the dictionary. The second method is by using a constructor function dict, just like we have constructor for list, constructor for tuples. So the output will be same as previous. Now let us create a dictionary during runtime, that is key value pairs we'll ask from the user. So we'll do a program to input n names, these will be keys, and their phone numbers will be the values, and we'll store it in a dictionary, and then later we'll input any name and print the phone number of that particular name. So we are basically creating a directory or a phone book. So let us create a variable dictionary variable phone book to be equal to a blank first, then one by one we'll add key value pair in it. So first let us ask how many names or numbers user wish to enter. So we need a loop these many times, hence for I in range n, these many times we just need a loop. First of all, we need to ask what is the name of the user he want to add. So let us ask input, enter the name, then we have to ask the phone number. Let us just take it as a string itself. Now we wish to add this name and this phone number as a element in our dictionary phone book. So in phone book, add this key nm, we want the value of p. Let us just run this much first, print this dictionary phone book. So how the phone book will look like? Let us run this. How many names do you wish to enter? Suppose we wish to enter 2 names. Enter the name, the first name, the person's phone number, enter second name, person's phone number. This is how the dictionary looks like. The first name we have entered ABC, the number is 1234, the second name BCD, and the number 4321. Now let us come to our logic. We want to take the name from the user and we want to print the phone number of that particular name. So we don't want to print this dictionary now. Let us ask the name from the user for whom we want to search for the phone number. Now if this name is present in the phone book, we have already seen the membership operator in operator, it will result in either true or false based on the key whether present or not. So if the name which user will enter is present in our dictionary phone book, then we want to print the phone number of that particular name which user has entered of this key. So phone number is, how to display? The dictionary name square bracket the key which is this nm, and if not found, then we'll print that the such name which we have entered is not found. Let us run this. So how many names you want to enter? Suppose you want to enter 3 names. The first name, the phone number is this, the second name, for simplicity I am typing these, the third name, the phone number. Now for whom you want to search, suppose we want to search for PPP, the phone number is 222, you can see. Now let us see for the not found also. How many names? Let us just enter 2 names, the number, another name, a number. For whom you want to search, this name is not found. Now let us do the reverse of the previous program. That is, there we have an input the name and displayed the phone number. Now we will input the phone number and display the name. So it is basically searching based on the value. So we'll ask the phone number that whose name do you want to see. Now we need a loop which will take up one key from the dictionary. So from phone book, a variable name can be anything. Say for key in phone book, this key will hold one by one each names. Now we have the phone number from the user. So let us see whether this phone number is same as the phone number in our dictionary at this key. If it is, that means we have found it. So print that the name corresponding to the phone number which we have entered is the key itself, because in the key only the name will be taken up, and we assume that there is no duplicate phone numbers, so we are taking a break. When this loop runs successfully, then else we want to print that no such phone number is found. So how many names do you wish to enter? Suppose 3 names. Enter the phone number to see the name. Suppose we wish to see for 222, the name is BBB. Now we can see for the not found also. Enter how many names. Say we wish to enter 2 names. Enter the phone number. No such phone number is found.